other big story of the day, is it a sin to join the BJP in West Bengal? It does seem like it, going purely by the images that we've seen emerge from the state over the last few weeks, where people who are members of the BJP, several who may even have left the TMC ahead of the elections, when they are taken back into the TMC's fold, were treated in very peculiar fashion. From having Ganga Jal being sprinkled on them, to even having their head tonsured, to today when they had sanitizer sprinkled on them, almost as if they were carrying a sort of disease. Many people are now left asking, there will be ups and downs in politics. To the victor go the spoils. But is it okay to humiliate opponents even in an acrimoniously fought election?
See, all of us know what is happening in West Bengal. It is just what TMC is playing is the technique of survival of the fittest here. And people who have voted for BJP, the BJP workers, they are not allowed to go back to their homes. They have been thrown out of the villages. And now when they are coming back to the villages on the condition that TMC puts is their purification from Ganga Jal, because they have done BJP in the past. They are telling these people that if you have to stay or survive in the villages, your heads will be shaved off. As a punishment to you for doing BJP, you have to scream and shout and yell and say that no, it was a mistake that they have done BJP. So what is all this in a society today? Is there any democracy which is alive? There is something which continues here is Gundasm, complete Gundasm, because the chief minister is silent. She's mum because she's enjoying.
We have spoken against post-poll violence. We have spoken against driving out BJP workers from their homes. But some local friction takes place. And some such spontaneous events take place. We're trying our best to stop this. It's not a big issue. Why are you making mountain out of a molehill? This happens in some small village in Birbhum district, about 200 kilometers from Kolkata.
You're watching the News Hour at 10, debate number 2 on Times Now, Super Prime Time.
Tausif Ahmad, advocate, joins us along with spokesperson of TMC and senior advocate Bishwajit Deb, Professor Govardhan Das, leader of the BJP, and Shazia Almi, spokesperson of the BJP, to whom I'm asking the first question. Shazia Almi, the TMC is arguing, what's the big deal? These are people who themselves wanted to come back and they were okay with getting sprinkled with Ganga Jal.
You know, I found the pictures so humiliating and sad and disturbing to watch. I mean, really, this is TMC workers are behaving like Nazis of some kind. And such is a state of fear and the palpable fear in which these poor people live in, that they have no choice but to come back. And imagine having to accept that, getting your head tonsured, having Ganga Jal being sprinkled on you, and then being allowed to join TMC. Do you know what it's doing to that? What they do to their own soul when they do this? Do you know what they endure? I think it is so sad. I found these pictures very disturbing, you know, when you showed them to me. And we are allowing it to happen. I mean, we Indians are watching this. That some political one party which is more like I would call them TMC Nazis, just treat and utterly humiliate others. And they live in a state of fear and terror. I mean, what do you say to that?
It's great that you won a spectacular victory, but to dehumanize people, why? Why would you tonsure somebody before taking them back?
No, you should not take it like that. You see, it is a spontaneous reaction at the local level, at the ground level, which has been done by the local party cadres. This has got no endorsement from the highest level of the party, because we don't believe in vindictive politics. TMC does not believe in vindictive politics. And we don't agree to all these things. But let me finish. So it happened in one particular district. And it is a reaction, you see, what BJP did during the elections. The way the TMC workers were forced and coerced to join BJP, and sometimes in exchange of money. So this was all a reaction at the local level, a spontaneous reaction.
justifying it,
It's
sir.
a
No, just a
sporadic,
second.
it is
I'm sorry.
sporadic
It is
incident.
not. It is not
A
correct.
sporadic
It is not
incident.
correct that it is happening
And-
only in
and-
one
and-
district.
and-
On
and you
June
see the
19 in
toxic-
Birbhum,
the toxic-
300 of these
the
workers were
toxic
sprinkled with
campaign
Ganga
was carried on
Jal.
by
Then
the
it
BJP
happened in
during the
Hooghly,
time of
where you had a
election.
public torturing ceremony.
During the time of
Then
election.
again, it happened
It was
in
spontaneous
another
reaction at the
district
local
where
level.
people had sanitizer. What is spontaneous,
Either-
sir?
either
You cannot
either-
have a mass torturing
either you
ceremony
speak or you let me speak.
spontaneously, and nor it has happened in one district.
Either you speak or you let me speak. Let me reply. You are not giving me the opportunity to reply.
But you just called it. You called it restricted
Yes,
to one
it's a-
district,
it's
which
a-
is not
it's a-
correct.
it's a
It's happened in
spontaneous
Birbhum. It's
reaction.
happened in Hooghly. It's happened in
It might have
Kolkata.
happened. It might have happened some sporadic incidents. We do not endorse. We do not endorse such incidents, and we do not endorse it at the state level. These are all at the local level, where the cadres were forced, where the cadres were compelled to join BJP during the time of elections, and it's a reaction. It's just a reaction
Sir,
at the local level, which
Sir,
would be
one of
settled.
these
This is
ceremonies was
nothing.
done in the
This is not a
presence
big
of your
issue.
member of parliament,
This is
Apurupa
not a
Poddar.
big issue.
You're saying
And
it
neither
doesn't
this is
have,
a
it
big
does, it is
issue.
not condoned by
And
the
neither-
leadership. Your
and
member
neither
of
this is a-
parliament was present
and
at one of
neither
these
this is a big
ceremonies.
issue to be discussed at a national level in a national channel like Times Now. I think.
Okay, Professor Gobardhan Das. This is not a big issue, right? I personally thought it was quite humiliating for human beings to be treated in that fashion, and for 300 people. If you remember last year, Mr. Deb, when there were migrant laborers who were sprayed with sanitizer, the National Human Rights Commission took note because it was seen as a violation of their human rights. And today it is being done to BJP workers returning to TMC, and you're saying it's a very trifling issue. Professor Gobardhan Das, it's natural, spontaneous, and local reaction.
Spontaneous reaction, local. We do not endorse
Okay,
such
you say
views.
spontaneous,
We
let
do
Professor
not-
Das react.
We do not.
Professor Das,
We-
this is
we-
local,
we do not agree
natural,
with
spontaneous.
vindictive politics.
Okay, Professor Das. Sir, you have muted your mic. Professor Das, can you please unmute it?
Okay, can you hear me? This is very widespread in whole Bengal.
Yes, go on.
After post-poll violence, we all see, we have seen that, and this is not only that. Actually, this is the widespread in every district, everywhere is happening. And first, this TMC, what they do is basically make an environment to force conversion. This is not a West Bengal culture. Rather, they are doing the Bangladeshi culture. First, they will humiliate, and they forcefully convert them. Here, they are converting to BJP to TMC, and this is it is really sad state of affair right now in West Bengal. This is in every village you see where they are just simply torturing, humiliating, and the BJP workers. That nobody can see this kind of behavior, and I don't know why the Supreme Court is not taking a note. And in fact, Bengal in such a sad state. The Bengal is in such a sad state. Even the judges are being recused themselves for Bengal violence cases, and you can imagine what's happening in Bengal. And this is really
a separate
sad
debate
state of
we'll leave for
affair.
another day, but for fear of their lives, Bishwajit Deb, any human being will agree to even this inhumane treatment. Mr. Deb.
I don't agree with you. And I don't agree with the gentleman who is speaking right now. What he is doing, he is completely placing some distorted facts. And he is not aware about Bengal. He doesn't know anything about Bengal. And he is neither aware of any such incidents. He is just trying to mislead the viewers. I'm sorry to say. Such
See,
type of
this is-
incidents-
if I
How
don't-
is it misleading?
We
I-
do not-
okay,
if
we do
if
not-
I'm
we do not endorse. We do not endorse such incidents. I am again repeating. We do not endorse. such-
it is widespread.
It is-
Every
it-
district
no,
and
no, not
everywhere
at all.
it is happening.
Not
And
at
it is
all.
a
Do you know-
TMC
Do you know how
culture.
many districts? Do you know how many districts
Actually,
are there?
it is a
Do you
TMC
know how many
culture.
districts are
Whole
there in Bengal?
TMC is based
Do you know
on the
how many
violence,
booths are there in
and
Bengal?
whole TMC is
Do you-
based
do
on.
you- do you have any
Whole
idea?
TMC is
Do you
based
have
on.
any
Your
idea?
party is
How many-
based
how
on
many booths are there?
humiliation.
How many
You
booths are there in
guys
Bengal?
you guys do eat
Tausif
human
Ahmed.
beings.
Booths are there in
Tausif
Bengal?
Ahmed, can you deny the fact that there have been cases of post-poll violence? Can you deny the fact that people have spoken out for fearing for their lives? And can you deny that to treat human beings like cattle, line them up and then spray sanitizer on them as they pass you is a blot on our country? Tausif Ahmed.
Padmaja, narratives, political narratives need not be denied. What is happening in Bengal, what BJP is saying is a forced tonsuring, is actually free people who were till yesterday with BJP, who are now voluntarily joining Trinamool. They are voluntarily taking part in a ritual to establish their own credential. That look, I was with BJP before.
How does tonsuring your head establish your credentials?
And we all know
It's a demeaning exercise. And I'm pretty certain in India you know what the significance of tonsuring your head is.
And the people are leaving the state. That
In
is
fact,
also.
in fact, it is almost a casteist exercise.
ritual or not?
To spray Ganga Jal on someone to make them shave their head, it's a casteist exercise.
Ritual or not? Now, these people are voluntarily choosing to perform these rituals to establish their own credentials.
Why are
Padmaja,
you sprinkling
Padmaja.
Ganga Jal on people coming from
They
BJP?
are free people.
Are you saying that they are untouchables? Are you promoting untouchability? Are you suggesting that people
Padmaja,
become pure
people
and
are
worth
living
taking into your
state
fold
and
only
they
when
are
they
going
have
to
been
ask us
purified
and
with
other
Ganga Jal?
states.
Do you realize the
this is-
casteist underpinnings of that action?
Voluntarily, these workers are choosing to perform the rituals to establish their own credentials because earlier they were with another party. And
Yep.
you cannot stop them
But
from
why-
doing that.
why should
They
they
have all
have
the
Shazia
right-
Almi, it was done voluntarily.
No, I'm sorry. I'm
Shazia Almi,
sorry,
it was done
Tausif.
voluntarily.
I will stop you
India
dead in
is a
your tracks
country
right
with
now. I'm
superstition,
ashamed of what
and
you said.
India is a country
Tausif,
with
you had
rituals,
lost.
and
I
India is a
thought
free
you
country.
had some
You
element of
neither
decency in you.
force anyone
I thought you were
nor
a
stop
practitioner of
anyone
law.
from performing
I
any
thought you
ritual.
had humanity in you. So these people are volunteering themselves and to be dehumanized. So it's all right to dehumanize them.
No, it is not
Are
an
you
act
saying
of
that's all right?
dehumanizing. It is an act of performing
It is
a
not.
ritual.
It is not.
Please go and read.
Do you see their faces?
You
Do you know what
may
it does
try
to
very
one's
hard
soul?
to come and build a narrative
No,
on a
no, no,
television,
Tausif, don't
but
not
let me
play
tell
around,
you,
Tausif. Do
you have
not
lost
be
the
smart about
election.
it. No, this
Digest
is
it.
beyond any political
BJP has
smartness or
lost the
correctness.
election. You
Do
must
not do
digest
it.
No more
Say it's
political
terrible for
narrative.
me to watch as
No
a
more
human
playing
being.
victim.
See any other human being go through this.
Bengal
And these are
is
Nazi
very safe.
sadistic.
People of Bengal has
These are
chosen Mamata
TMC
Banerjee as the
sadistic
chief minister
Nazis
for
who
the
are
next
doing
5
it.
years.
Who
You must
cannot
digest the
do
fact.
intolerant
And
and
work
cruel
on COVID,
and
work on
subjecting
economy,
innocent
and work
people
on 100
to
other
such
things,
humiliation.
rather than
Yes,
wasting
you
your
join the
energy on
BJP.
building these
Oh, you
political
come back
narratives.
and we'll humiliate you. So you'll never forget that you joined the BJP. This is what we'll do to you. And you're saying that's all right. Because they're saying, yes, humiliate us.
No, they are not your slaves.
Sprinkle with Ganga
Those
Jal.
people
Yeah.
are not slaves
Oh
of
yeah,
BJP.
so they're
Those
saying the
workers are
slaves are
not the
willing to be
bonded
slaves,
slaves
so
of
slavery is
labor
all
of
right.
BJP.
So your
They are
argument
free
is,
to
those
join
people
any
They are
party
nobody's
want.
slaves. They are
You
nobody's
cannot-
slaves.
cannot-
They are nobody's
you
slaves,
can use them
which is the whole
for your
point.
purpose.
Then why are they being treated as if they are slaves? Who walks one behind the other in a single line queue and has Ganga Jal sprinkled on them?
If you had any
Now they
decent
You don't
want-
find
human
that
being,
offensive?
You have to tell them, do not be treated like this. It's not worth it.
BJP
You know,
cannot
if somebody is
treat
willing to
their
be a
own
slave, would you allow
worker
it?
as bonded laborers.
Yes,
They are
they
free
ask
to
for
join
it.
any party they want. India is a free
Oh,
country.
yes.
Vishwajit
And
Dev,
they can
Vishwajit
perform
Dev,
anything.
are you honestly saying, hand on heart, that this was orchestrated to send out a message to the larger public of anyone who's a political opponent saying joining any other party is a crime and you must offer penance?
Question
That
doesn't
is
arise.
the message, the tacit message being sent out.
Mengele.
I had
Imagine
made it-
anyone watching these
I
images.
had repeatedly
Violence can be
made-
explicit or implicit.
I had repeatedly made my stand very clear, and my party stand very clear, that we do not endorse any vindictive politics. Vindictive politics is something which the BJP has shown us throughout the country.
Then why are you allowing it to
We
happen?
have seen,
Why are you allowing it to happen?
what is being going on in the entire
How
country.
many people they had
Sir,
to
if you
leave
don't
the
endorse it, why are you allowing it to happen?
At the
Are you
local
saying
level,
these ceremonies are being
at the
carried out
local
without your
level,
How
knowledge?
many BJP
Not
workers
at
were
all.
murdered? They are stopped.
Who allows a worker
Even the
to do
vaccine politics.
and can't
They are,
stop them or even have
You
it
are-
they
you
are,
are- you are-
they are
you are
not
not
allowing the vaccines to the BJP
But yes, I am
BJP
sorry to
workers,
say,
you
BJP
are not
people.
aware
So
about
they are not
anything-
vindictive politics. Come
anything
on.
about Bengal. I'm sorry to say. You
Okay.
first go and do your
Okay, you do
homework
not support
about
vindictive
Bengal.
politics,
And
Professor
then-
Govardhan Das.
and
I will
then
give you.
come.
I will give you the last word. It is being argued that this is more of a, political workers going from here to there. There is a small little sideshow of them trying to show that they are more loyal than the king. Why are you reading so much into it? It's some local level tamasha.
Yes, and we do not endorse it.
This is
We
a
do
very
not endorse
widespread.
it.
It's everywhere. It's
See, this
happening
vindictive
everywhere
politics
throughout the
we
state.
have seen throughout
And
the
see,
country.
the gentleman
We
is
have
saying
seen
there's no
throughout the
vindictive
country we are
politics,
seeing what is
and
vindictive politics.
and they said this is they are doing themselves. But people are leaving from the state. There are 25 BJP workers been murdered, and they create such a situation. Nothing. They made a situation. They have to be converted. They converted. See, now they are humiliating, and the conversion happens because
Okay.
so the politics of everywhere, like in vaccine politics right now going on. I'm getting several calls. They are in panchayat.
Okay.
We are distributing the coupons for vaccines. They only give the vaccines to the TMC people. They are not giving vaccine coupon.
Don't talk about vaccine.
Okay.
Don't talk about
they are
vaccine.
stopping. There are several.
Okay,
We will do, if that is indeed the case,
they are-
one, there should be a criminal investigation that should be instituted, and you should definitely ask for an FIR to be filed in that case, Professor Govardhan Das. We'll do a longer story on that. For the time being, irrespective of political rivalry, settling scores, this is a shameful picture for our country to see. This should not happen. In that hope, thank you very much, all gentlemen, Shazia Ilmi, for having joined me. Thanks for watching.
The News Hour at 10 will be right back after the break.